Fred here, welcome back to the Gear Obsession channel. In this episode, we will be taking a look at this inline e-cigarette resistance and voltage tester from Cigabuy. Have you ever wondered how much voltage is coming out of your mechanical mod? You know, you might have had put in a new battery or old battery and you just don't know where it is and you want to test the voltage. Let's say you have a variable voltage type of mod and you want to check to see if it's putting out the voltage that it indicates on the indicator that's built in. Good way to test. Let's also wonder, because I often wonder, what's the resistance of, let's say, this tank or this tank? Actually, this is a dripping atomizer, or this tank. Well, this, do I have the right way? This can tell you all that, and you can put this actually in line between the tank and the battery, and it will give you both. It will tell you what both are, your resistance and the voltage coming out of the battery, all for the unbelievable low price of $10.27 at Cigabuy. So let's take a close look and see if it's worth it. Again, this came from Cigabuy. I will be providing a link below to this product. Thank you very much to Cigabuy for sending me this product for review. I really appreciate it because I really wanted one of these. So there it is. Also in the box, underneath this little holder here, is the manual. I highly encourage you to read it. So there are a lot of features packed into this little $10.27 device. Features is a nice LED display right there. This thing has a voltage range of 3 to 6 volts. It could do a resistance check anywhere between 1 and 9.5 ohms. So not really good for sub-ohm testing, but from 1 to 9.5 you're good to go. Has a non-load output current of 2.8 milliamps. Maximum current of 4 amps, so you don't want to send that much through. It also has a EGO or 510 thread on the top, 510 thread on the bottom, and it is made in China. By the way, this box, when I first got it, I was trying to open it by pushing it through this way. Again, you open it up that way. It has a little magnetic holder right there. Really nice. Really nice touches for a product that only costs a hair over $10. Really amazing. Now, again, this is used to check out the voltage of your battery or your mod, and to check the resistance of your dripping atomizers, tanks, or whatever. So let's say you have a mech mod. Here's my Sentinel M16. I'm just going to screw it into the 510 threads right there, and we can see where my battery is as far as voltage. There it is. Now you probably see a little bit of flicker, but I don't. The camera sort of, refresh rates between this and the camera will make it flicker like that. So that's 3.9 volts. The U means B. Now another feature of this is it could show you if you have a short in your atomizer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually short out this right here so you can see what a short looks like. Now you don't want to do this too long because you actually are shorting the battery. Whoops, I'm not. There we go. Short that out. So there you go. That's what it looks like. You get those lines right there. I'll go ahead and show you one more time in case you missed it. That's what a short looks like. I don't want to short out my battery too long. Alright. Another thing is, let's say you want to test to see if your variable voltage mod is putting out what it says. Now I have this set to 3 volts right there. This is my mini Lambo from L Rider, which I reviewed just like a week ago, which I love. I've been using this thing like crazy. It's just the perfect size. Anyway, I digress. 3 volts set here. Let's see if it's 3 volts. Look at that, 3 volts. And this is why I was really excited about this device, because I can incorporate this into my tests when I test out mods to see if they're putting out the proper voltage in accordance with what you're setting them to. So really neat. Actually, I'm going to leave this on here, And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this tank on here so I could show you how you could also measure the resistance. The resistance. Okay, so here we go. We're going to test out the voltage and the resistance. 3 volts, 2.4 resistance. You don't want to hold that too long because it actually is firing the tank. So it shows you the voltage for like 2 seconds, and then it shows you the resistance, then it goes back to voltage when I hold it. I'm going to hold it in one more time so you can see. I'm going to press it now. 3 volts, 2.4 ohms, goes back to 3 volts. And you can hear it firing when I'm doing that. Alright, so really neat little device. It could show you so much information. It's very critical for those of you who are building things to make sure you're not building something that's out of the ohm range that you wanted to. This is a dual coil here. Let's see, I think this was a little over 1 ohm if I remember what I built here. Let's see, 3 volts. And it's not telling me. Maybe I didn't screw that in good enough. I actually don't even hear it firing. So, I don't know. Maybe I don't have any coils in that one. Let's see. Actually, I don't have any coils in that one. Duh. Alright. Let me get this one here. Oh, I'm falling apart. I think I built this one to 1 ohm. This is a dual coil. Alright. 3. Yep, see, it's 1.1 resistance, which is right on the bottom of what this thing tests, because this will only go down to 1 ohm. So here's a 1.1 ohm dual coil dripper. 1.2. Alright, so accuracy of this thing is within 0.4%, plus or minus 0.4%. So it's very accurate. So again, this is just a wonderful little device. The accuracy again, you know, 0.3 or 4% is very accurate. For at least for what I do. I know some of you might require more accuracy, but I still think that's pretty good for the price point. You could test Egos, Viva Novas, C4s, C5s, EVODs, MT3s, T4s, I'm sorry, T2s, T3s, A6, A7, RG500s, RG680s, RG250s, RC200s, RC400s, all Ego 5, 10 atomizers basically. You could just about test everything with this as long as it's within those ranges. It's simple, it's convenient, doesn't require any batteries or anything. It runs off the battery that you connect that you're testing. Very lightweight, small. It's the whole package. So again, if you're interested in this, the link is below. So I am definitely recommending this product. I love it. It is awesome. I really like it. I just couldn't wait. As soon as I got the product, I had it out of the box and was trying it out. And you'll be seeing a lot of it in a lot of my reviews when I test things and make sure that things are putting out the right voltage and everything. So it's really cool. I really recommend it. Alright, thank you very much for joining me here at the Gear Obsession channel. I really appreciate every friend, viewer, subscriber, and especially you. And I hope you have a great evening. Take care. Bye.